What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the Soarin Sound vlog. We're here at the football game. Yeah, I got the pep band. I got the student section over there. It's gonna be a great game. We're gonna lose, but it's gonna be a great game, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Drumline content. See you later. Pound it and I'll see ya. Just great balls. Oh! He's crazy. Let's go! Watch my head.
Like, Drumline is the worst part, and I'm like, no, it's not. It's the loudest part. And I'm like, yeah, that makes it the best part.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Aaron fell off.
Aaron what?
On Skibbity. Donuts!
Donuts, we're going to get donuts.
Yeah!
Here we go, here we go. And I got Squeak. Nope, Squeak's mine.
I need him, I need my child.
Squeak is right there. Squeak's Gavin's. But hey, give us.
Isaac, how many sticks are we dropping today?
0.
Gavin, how many sticks are we dropping today?
The last time I was asked that question, I lost both my sticks.
So all of them?
Yeah.
Cameron, how many sticks are we dropping?
This one.
This one?
But not this one.
Dean, how many sticks are we dropping today?
1.
Jack, how many sticks are we dropping today?
I'll probably drop 1 in the beginning and 1 in the end.
Alright. Squeak, how many sticks are we dropping today? Oh, none? Let's go, Squeak.
Let's go.
Lauren, how many sticks are we dropping today?
What?
How many sticks are we dropping today?
4.
Grant, how many sticks are we dropping today?
0.
Nate, Nate, how many sticks are we dropping today? Bryceton, how many sticks are we dropping today?
Well, oh, 0.
Gavyn, how many sticks are we dropping today? How many sticks are we dropping today?
I don't know.
How many sticks are you dropping today? Nice. How many sticks are you dropping today? 6. Avery, how many sticks are we dropping today?
Yes.
10 or more.
Say hi to the YouTube. Welcome back to Vlog, boys.
This is unheard of. Snare player becoming a cymbal player.
Snare is now a cymbal. Cooper has been mewing this entire time.
Cooper's mewing streak is 5 hours.
Yo, what's good, yo? What's good? Soarin Sound vlog. Vlog check. Here we go. Got pep band going on right now. Mr. Bryceton. Drumline. Actually, less than half the drumline.
Yeah, less than half.
Less than half the drumline. Stay tuned for more.
We will cook.
Yeah.